In this video, we'll be showing you how we fill our cars with gas. The very first thing we do before filling our car with gas is to turn off the engine, as we don't want it running while we're pumping. This will reduce the risk of a fire. The next thing we do is we touch metal. This is going to discharge any static electricity on ourselves, and it's going to reduce the fire risk again while we're at the pump. Another important step is to check and see what type of fuel the car requires, and as you can see, there are quite a few options to choose from. On our vehicle, one easy way that we check to see what the gas requirement is to open up the hatch where the gas cap is, and then on that hatch we can find that it says unleaded fuel only. If you're looking for it and it's not there, I would recommend checking the owner's manual and going by what the manual says. After figuring out the gas requirement, we can either pay at the terminal or inside with the cashier. With the payment complete, we're now going to begin fueling. First step we do is we unscrew the gas cap. Some vehicles have a little place where you can hold this on the hatch that you opened. Ours, we don't have that, unfortunately, so we set off to the side. Then we will grab and remove the nozzle and select the grade of gas that is required in the manual. Next, we make sure the nozzle is fully inserted, and then we squeeze the trigger to begin fueling. That little lever can be pushed down to hold the trigger in place for the duration of fueling. During the fueling process, the screen can be checked to see how much fuel is going into the vehicle. Once the tank is full, the gas pump automatically shuts off. We don't like to pump any further as to prevent overfilling. We will then return the pump to the terminal and close the gas cap. On this vehicle, we turn the cap until it clicks once, but it may be different for your vehicle, so I would recommend checking the manual. And our gas gauge is slowly going up to the top, and thanks for watching.